So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to review your username key on the WhatsApp. So guys, as we know that the WhatsApp is just launched a new feature that we are now connected without using our phone number, just using the username. So guys, to keep your account secure and prevent the spam from the stranger, so WhatsApp provide the username. So you follow the exact step to check and manage it. Open your WhatsApp, go to the second icon, guys, go to the access profile. Here you see that I am in the account, and guys, here you see the option of username. And guys, when you go for the username, if you feeling that you are not secure, so guys, first of all you change your username. So you just click on it and change and get the different key and click the option of save key. Okay, so you just change the key and review your current settings and your assigned key. Okay, then guys, go back. Another thing is, guys, setting, it's give you the two settings that to ensure your key function is as intent, and you can restrict who reached you. If you select the everyone, so anyone with your username can start the conversation. And if you set it to the people who know me my key, so contact must first either the key you generate before they message you via username. Okay, so these are the things that you can done to review your account. And guys, every week please try to change your key, because sometimes it is leaked and maybe it is good. It's if you are forward someone this key and the another person also share in any group and anywhere, so you're facing the issues. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.